Hello everyone, and today I'll be reviewing an article discussing how heading soccer balls increases brain risk for certain type of players. So the secondary article that I'm reviewing today comes from their website Medical Express and was published on February 21st. So Medical Express is the child company of ScienceX, a leading web-based science, research, and technology news service that covers a wide range of topics. Research was conducted by a team of researchers from the Albert Einstein College of Medicine in New York. And so the title of the primary article was Associations of Apolipoprotein E4 Genotypes and Ball Heading with Verbal Memory in Amateur Soccer Players. The apolipoprotein E4 genotype is a common risk factor for neurodegeneration and was the main allele that the researchers looked at. Consisted of 352 amateur soccer players with a median age of 23 years old. 256 of them were men and 96 of them were women. Selection criteria for these players included participation in soccer for more than 5 years and for more than 6 months per year. The study was conducted for 5 years from November 2013 through January 2018. A study visit was conducted every 3 to 6 months where players completed the head count 12-month questionnaire, a validated computer-based questionnaire to estimate 12-month heading exposure that was categorized as low, moderate, and high. The conclusion of the study suggests that the apolipoprotein E4 allele is a risk factor for worse memory performance associated with higher heading exposure in the prior year. The researchers believe that assessing genetic risk may ultimately play a role in promoting safer soccer play. The title of the secondary article was Dementia Gene. Heading soccer players increases brain risk for certain players. In all, the article was properly written, hitting all the major points of the primary article while adding extra information that related the study to everyday life. The article covered areas outside the scope of the scientific benefit and gave examples of how the research could be used and what ways future research could benefit. Specifically, the article did a good job explaining the science behind the title without scaring people into not playing soccer like other articles could have done. By explaining the basics of the study and giving evidence for reasons why the research is sound and reliable, this article is a great secondary choice and a good transition from the world of academia to the everyday person.